Biscuit takes a walk.
By Alyssa Satin Capusili. Picture by Pat Shores. Biscuit takes a walk. Time for a walk, Biscuit! Woof woof! It's time for a walk to Grandpa's house. Let's go! Woof woof! Time for a walk, Biscuit! Woof woof! Biscuit wants to dig. Time for a walk, Biscuit! Woof woof! Biscuit wants to roll. Funny puppy, it's time for a walk to Grandpa's house. Let's go! Woof woof! Time for a walk, Biscuit! Woof woof! Biscuit wants to see the squirrels. Time for a walk, Biscuit! Woof woof! Biscuit wants to see the birds. Silly puppy, it's time for a walk to Grandpa's house. Woof! Wait, Biscuit, come back! Grandpa's house is this way. Woof woof! Oh, Biscuit, what do you see now? Woof woof! It's Grandpa! Woof woof! A walk to Grandpa's house is fun, Biscuit. But a walk with Grandpa is the best walk of all. Time for a walk, Biscuit. A walk for everyone. Woof woof! The end. What could be more fun than walk to Grandpa's house? If you like this read, please subscribe, like, and check out my other playlists. Bye!